what's up traders, it's your boy Anati. Welcome back to the new Money Wave FX group channel. So today guys, we are going to be analyzing three pairs, which is the US500, NASDAQ and US30. So what I currently have over here, it's US500. So in US500 we have buy side liquidity, we have a bearish market structure shift, and we have sell side liquidity. We have FEGs, these two FEGs. So currently our daily bias on the US500 is bearish, gang. As you guys can see, previously we had an FEG open over. Previously you can see we had a high which was taken out by this high. Then we had a bearish market structure shift, which this low was taken out by this candle over here. So you guys can see this candle. Then what the market did, the market went back in and filled this FEG, which market left an FEG open for us, and I entered some trades which are closed due to break even. Then I let the market run over here. This is just a daily time frame, guys. I was trying to swing this trade, but I wasn't able to swing it as I let my emotions get in place with me. And so as you guys can see, our daily bias is bearish. As you guys can see, and our daily candle is bearish. But what I'm currently waiting for is that since our daily bias is bearish and our daily candle is bullish, is that the market should have closed this gap. After closing this gap, guys, let me switch back on my phone screen again. As I have the E-mini S&P 500 over here, is that I have identified my buy side liquidity, a bearish market structure shift, and my sell side liquidity. Also, I've identified my first FEG entry point and my second FEG entry point. And then overall, what I see is that my daily bias are bearish. As you guys can see also, go see my daily bias are bearish. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be switching over to NASDAQ to show you guys that the E-mini S&P does what it does so that the NASDAQ could follow it. Each and every movement the E-mini S&P does, NASDAQ follows. So over here, as you guys can see on the E-mini S&P daily on the daily candle, our daily candle is bullish. Why it opened bullishly? Because it needed to fill in the gap and close the gap that the price market tried to create. So with us having this bullish candle, we are either going to be having a bullish setup on the 15 minutes time frame or a bearish setup, but I mostly believe in the bullish setup that we are going to have today. So let's switch back to NASDAQ and show you guys NASDAQ. So as I said, on NASDAQ, still the same thing as you guys saw on the E-mini S&P. It's just that the NASDAQ is clearer. The NASDAQ you can see clear. And then on the NASDAQ also you can see a good price try to push and close and fill this gap that is created by these two. But we just have to wait and see to what's gonna happen, and we'll have to be patient with it, you know. But we are going to be having setups today and trade. Please watch till the end and see what we do and on how we find our setups, on how I enter my trades, you know. We are doing it live today with you guys. US30, let me analyze US30 from scratch, from fresh with you guys. I'm going to be using my PC. I'm just going to be voice talking while you're going to be seeing each and every movement that I'm doing. So right now I'm just going to clear the charts. Boom. You guys saw, I just cleared my charts. With also the US30. US30 is the same thing, guys. I'm just not touching my phone, I'm touching my PC. So I'm analyzing on the PC. You'll just see the imitations on the phone right now. So the first thing is that US30 also had an FEG. That did not fill. The FEG did not fill over here, as you guys can see. It did not fill that FEG. Okay, fine. We are looking at the overall market, and it. So here, buy side liquidity, I'm identifying it. A bearish market structure shift, identifying it. There. Do you guys see that? And then the buy side liquidity, bam. As you guys can see, buy side liquidity was taken out. This high was taken out by this high, so the market came back down, taking out this low, giving us a bearish market structure shift and an FEG, which price came there, tried to fill that FEG. Even though it touched that FEG, it did not eventually enter at our 50% zone, so it came back down. So as you guys can see over here, our daily candle is bullish. So what when our daily candle is bullish like this, we are going to be switching over to the 15 minutes time frame, whereby I'll show you guys my sale, where I'll place my times. I'll show you guys my times and place my shade, so that go see the trades that I need to enter and the trades that I don't need to enter. So I'm just gonna refresh my screen on the PC and place my vertical lines. There, see that? And there, do you guys see that? So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to add my rectangle. Here's my rectangle tool. Do you see that? So currently the time is 6:14 in the US time. New York time. It's 14 minutes past 6. UTC -4. So that's my high. That's my high in the 15 minutes time frame. This is my high. Okay, let me do this. Buy side liquidity, and you have sell side liquidity, which is here, which is there. Also, we have another one over here. We have another one over here. I'll show you now. Do you guys see it? On the screen of my phone, you guys see it clearly. You will see it clearly. And another one. I'm sorry about that. Let me open up like this. So what I'm waiting for over here, I'm waiting for price to take out the high, the buy side liquidity. I'm waiting for price to take out the buy side liquidity, or eventually price might take out this low. When price does take out this low and will take out this high, then we'll know we have to look for bearish market structure shift. For bearish market structure shift, because of why this low over here that you guys see was taken out, and that low over there. Let me do this. Like this low, over here that you guys see that appears, that's the low that I'm going to be using if the price decides to take out buy side liquidity first. If price decides to take out that low first, then I definitely know what I have to do. I'll have to look for bullish entry points. But if market decides to take out the high first, the buy side liquidity first, definitely then comes take out this low that I've just marked, you guys will have to know, go see, we have a bearish market structure shift. We have a bearish market. Our daily bias is bearish, as you guys saw, and then our daily candle is bullish. So we have two possibilities over here. I'll have to switch the screen back to NASDAQ. We are on NASDAQ over now. So NASDAQ, I'll do the same thing that I did on US30. That's it. You guys were supposed to say now. What's happening? What's happening? You guys were supposed to say. Let me refresh. You see? I hate this. Yes. You mean S&P? Then back to NASDAQ. Oh, sorry guys, I wasn't aware of what the shit wasn't on. It is now on. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? I'll do this just to mark it like that. Do you guys see that? Okay. My high. Do you guys see that? That's it. This is my low. This low that I'm just marking now, the second low that I'm just marking now, will become a bearish market structure shift, or it might become a sell side liquidity, depending on price, whether price takes it out first or it takes it out last, depending on how the market moves. So I'll just name my things now: sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. That's it. Do you guys see that? Boom. So this is only from me to you guys. I'll have to show you guys another one later. So guys, we're back again on our screens. So what I decided to do, you remember I said that I'm going to use this low as a bearish market structure shift. I'm not going to use it as a bearish market structure shift no more. I'm going to use it as sell side liquidity. Reason being, price will come and take out this sell side liquidity, then continue come and take out this high. After taking out this high, we will be having a bullish market structure shift. After having this bullish market structure shift, I'll have to look for an FEG in order for us to enter on and target our TP at buy side liquidity. As you guys can see over here, that's how I'll target the price today. But see you guys in fuming. So guys, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity identified. Sell side liquidity just got taken out. I'm waiting for price to take out this high or this high in order for us to have a bullish market structure shift, and we need to have an FEG. So after that, we'll have to continue again and enter and target this high for TP. See you guys in a few. So guys, we're back again on US 500. As you guys can see, sell side liquidity is being taken out. As I said, price came back down, up, taking out this high, making it the bullish market structure shift. And with buy side liquidity, this will be our TP1 and this will be our take profit 2. So what I'm waiting for this candle to come and hit our entry point, then we enter. After entering, we're targeting this TP1 and TP2. So guys, on NASDAQ, I want to show you something. We have two fair value gaps on NASDAQ. Firstly, let me do this. Since we have two fair value gaps, and this is the biggest fair value gap after price taking out this high, making it a bullish market structure shift. Now this is a bit stressing me because of I can take my SL and stretch my SL a bit till here, and stretch my SL because of I feel like the market will come and pin on that FEG, then continue with the initial direction. I'm just gonna enter 2 trades over here, then enter 2 trades over here via orders. So, and wait and see for us. Let's see what will the market do, man. Let's go to US30. Back on the US30 now. The US30 is a perfect example. It's a perfect tool. We only have one FEG and we only have one bullish market structure shift. So I've just set my reminders on those things. So we just have to wait and see what will price do. Otherwise, see you gang on the next video, man. Shout out.